stop talking to you, that shows his character. No, that's true. Big boobs, child. Anyway, so. No, actually, yeah, like, yeah, that's true. But, I don't know. I just felt really bad. Sweetie, Elijah, you're a little late. No, Elijah was actually, it always starts with, we just hang out. No, like, how long have we known each other? A couple months. Because we both live here in Arizona, so, like, we've kicked it a few times. But I'm not over here trying to be like, oh, I'm about to jump into a relationship. Because that's not the case. But a lot of people, I guess they assume that. Oh, yeah, I'm going to make an update video because it's already been a month. But I'll probably upload that, like, tomorrow or the next day or something. Because I do need to make an update video. Yeah, the comments are fucking wild on that video. Literally everyone went off. But the thing is, I like that at the same time because that shows, like, if fucking 150, 200 people are saying the same thing, maybe you should pay attention to that, you know what I mean? Like, I know that it's my life and I should do what I want, you know, it's my life, I control it. But, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just being fun. I'm just being fine. I'm just having fun. I'm not trying. I think people think it's a lot deeper than it really is. So, like, that's just not the case. That's why I had to put that out there. I feel like you should keep people off social media until you feel ready to share them because you never know their intentions. I think it was his smile. Okay. A lot of people were saying that. They're saying that, like, he was creepy because of his smile or something. Don't be hard on yourself. I'm not being hard on myself because we're not talking about me right now. We're talking about the fact that a lot of people were saying that my friend on my video is a clout chaser or whatever. Yeah, like, if you haven't seen the new video, go watch it. Like, go watch the new video if you're confused right now. Like, go watch it right now. Or watch it later on when you're not in school or something. But he had drama with AYTO in another MTV show. But that's all productions. You probably know the real him. I actually never heard about drama with AYTO in another MTV show. I never heard of that drama. So I don't know. Trust your gut. The end. Period. And the thing is, I know, like, yeah, I already did contact him. I double texted him. I texted him yesterday and I just texted him in the morning. I just hope that his feelings aren't, like, hurt or something. Yeah, I had fun doing it. Like, it was just, like, a fun little video. So, I mean, when a lot of people kind of, like, go off about it, it's kind of, like, hurtful. I'm like, damn, like, that's just my friend. Like, do I need to change the title to, like, or the title to I Let My Friend style me for a week or something? Because, like, I haven't seen it because those kinds of videos I don't watch, no offense. No, that's fine. That's totally fine. I didn't have any drama. He didn't have any drama on X on the Beach. He was the chillest one there, right? Yeah, yeah, I know, like, some people weren't going to watch that video, plus it's a haul video, and I know that not everybody wants to, like, see those, hence why I mean, people used to really fuck with those on my channel. When I say used to, meaning, like, people, they watch them, but, like, I don't really like posting haul videos, because, like, I don't know, I don't really like posting haul videos, because it feels like I'm just, like, posting just to post, you know what I mean? Like, it feels like I'm just posting a video just to be like, okay, I posted a video. So, I don't know. I'm just glad that Scare versus Dare is about to start again, because I'm ready for, like, fun videos and stuff. And then I'm going to stay at this, like, haunted-ass, one of the most haunted hotels in America. I'm going to stay there this month, and that's going to be for, why are you looking like a straight-up chola? I don't know. Yeah. I like haul videos. Yeah, you guys will get those, but, like, not all the time. I'm trying to figure out right now what I want to do with my channel, content-wise, because, like, I don't want to post, like, show up just for, like, a fucking sponsored video, because I get so annoyed when my favorite YouTubers do that, when they, like, stop posting. I'm wiping the fucking powder off my eyebrows. When they stop posting, and then they only show up to be like, hey guys, so, like, I'm showing you my skincare routine, and then they vanish for, like, a month, come back, hey guys, Fashion Nova haul, and it's like, damn, you only out here for the coin. So that's why I don't like doing, yeah, people don't understand the difference between crush and lover. crush means like, oh, like we think each other's cute, but like lover is like when you guys are doing all that shit. But like that's not the case. That is not the case. We barely hug. So like no, I'm not worried about what people say. I just thought it was interesting that a lot of people were saying that. I was just curious to know. I'll do a get ready with me. And you do make really good paranormal videos. Thank you. I'll start doing more of that for you guys. Hi, Sierra Watts. Hope you've had an amazing week. Who the fuck is Sierra Watts? I just got an email. Hi, Sierra Watts. Who the fuck is that? I'm not Sierra Watts. Anyways. He watching this live right now. Well, he can watch this live all he wants, but if he's not gonna text me back, then what the fuck does that have to do with me? I'm not fucking 12. I'm not gonna sit here playing games. Yes, I need to do another get ready. I need to get back into the loop of things, you guys. I'm still like slowly trying to get back into everything again after taking like a fucking month break. Like I need to like get back into things again. Sarah Watts is that 16 and pregnant girl. I've never heard of her, so I don't understand why I just got an email saying, hello, Sierra Watts. Do I look 16 and pregnant? Because I'm not. So, I don't know, I guess we'll just see where everything goes with that. But yeah, I need to start, like, getting into the loop of things again. So, like, sorry I didn't upload for, like, a month, but I actually needed to, like, take a break. What happened to the date videos? What date videos? Date videos? What date videos? Don't worry, she wishes to be you. What are you talking about, girl? Oh, the Dare videos. Oh, I mean, our Scare vs. Dare videos are still up, but, like, we're about to start them again. Because now I told you guys, like, I would start doing them after it got, like, cool enough outside to do the videos again. Because we want to do, like, some outdoor stuff. So, yeah. It's not cool yet. It's still 100 degrees. It's not lip gloss. It's actually, look how like fast this shit activates. It's literally turning my lips like reddish. This is by the brand Nuni. I think this is from Korea. You can get it on nuni.co.kr. But it's like a lip oil. This one's tinted. I have another one that's not tinted. But we trying to have a little color on our face right now. So, yeah. Was that a sneak peek of your new gloss? No. No. My life is just really weird right now, you guys. My life is just really fucking weird. I still have to upload my update video, but I think I need to refilm it and, like, add some things to it. But, like, I have some tea to be spilled, some things to be said. You should do it like a Freak Out Friday to share scary stories. Ooh, that would actually be a good idea. That's actually a really good idea. But would you guys like the thing is, like, I wanted to, like, scary stories and stuff on my channel, but I don't want to, like, try to steal fucking Loey Lane's crown. Or, like, or all of a sudden start doing that stuff. Like, I don't know if people would actually want to watch that. I don't know. But I think it could be cool, but at the same time, like, I'm not good at stuff like that. That's why I leave it to other YouTubers to do stuff like that. When we doing story times, my fave. You guys are gonna get a story time very soon. I've already filmed it. It's just a matter of when I feel comfortable enough posting it, because it's not just like, hey guys, I fell down the toilet. Like, like it's not like something simple like that. It's actually like a serious topic. So it's taking me like a second to. We put a deodorant on. We're not trying to be stinky out here. It's a matter of time, I guess. I don't know. Aw. Y'all just saw that. I thought I was taking the cap off. Bitch, I pulled the whole fucking squirter thing off. Okay. You could do something like reacting to scary animations. Oh, but I've already watched all of them. Because I watch those regularly. So it's like I've already seen all of them. It's not going to be a genuine reaction. That was fucking strong. Still their idea is get put on the drama channel, grow that clout. Oh my god. Think do it? The sad thing about YouTube, you guys, is you're not gonna be on the top. You're not gonna be like up there, unless you like fucking sell yourself, like either your body or by hanging out with like the right crowd or whatever, or by doing certain kinds of content. And that sucks that I have to be in drama for my channel to do as good as I want it to do, but that's just the reality of YouTube, and I'm not gonna get in drama though. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Like, cool, like, okay, you like exposed somebody, ruined a relationship with someone over 100,000 views. Like, good for you. Do you feel better? You just like ruined something that could have been really good because you wanted to get views. And I don't want to be that. I don't know. Like, people will literally do anything for clout, but I mean, that's their career. Like, I understand that this is social media and we're supposed to like go hard and do what we want to do, but like I genuinely do miss the days when like YouTube was like actually fun and stuff, and like everyone just posted fun shit, but now it's all about like, oh my god, I did this to his girlfriend last night, or oh my god, she kissed her ex-boyfriend, 10 million views. Like, I don't understand that concept, but I mean, if that's what people are into watching, then cool, or if people are into watching like drama videos. I personally like to watch this channel called Ryan, where they post dance mom edits. Like, that's the kind of video I'm fucking watching. But I mean, I guess people are into all the drama and all that, but Granny is really fun. Please play it. Oh, I've played Granny a ton. But yeah, I miss the old YouTube days when it wasn't so much like people are doing it for the fucking money. It was more fun back in the day, you know? I don't know. Oh, people are saying to play Granny. The last time I played a Roblox game, I got fucking demonetized and my channel got flagged by Roblox Corporation. So I don't know if I could post another Roblox video. That's why being an actual actor or musician sounds more appealing. Yes, like that's why I'm trying to go after my fucking dream. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm not trying to neglect my YouTube channel, but I do want to, like you guys know, I want to be a singer, a professional, and I want to go on tour. I want to do shows and stuff, but I have to have enough music to be able to do shows and stuff. I can't go in, I'm not going to be an artist that sings 2 or 3 of my songs and then does like 5 covers, because people could go to my YouTube channel to watch me do a cover. People would come to my show to see me perform my songs. So yeah, right now I'm working on my EP. So whenever that comes out, we'll be able to do little tours and stuff and little shows. And they're gonna be like fucking like $5, $10 to go to. So just to, you know, give you guys a taste of my music and stuff. So yeah. I don't remember exactly what Instagram store I got my pants from, because a lot of people are asking. Every time I wear these, people are like, where did you get those from? I can't remember where I got them from, but I actually just ordered another pair of them from Shein.com. I don't know if, I'm sure you guys have heard of Shein. So many YouTubers get sponsored by Shein. But I actually was looking for these pants again literally 2 fucking days ago, and I ended up ordering a pair of black ones. So sorry guys, I just got a call. I literally just got a call. I'm gonna have to call them back. I have to go anyways. I have therapy. Like, I have therapy in like 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So I have to leave anyways. But thanks for coming to my live. I will come back on a little bit later, you guys. Possibly. We'll see. Depends on how much I cry. But yeah, I'm gonna go now.